Hello everyone, welcome to Shri Rama Bharati Public School online platform. Today we are continuing the same chapter number 4, editing tools of word processor. And today we will cover the three topics. The first one is adding margins, the next one page orientation, and the last one is page size. So let's start it. You can see here, this is my Word document. The first topic we are doing, margin. What is the meaning of margin? Margin means the distance between the text and the edge of the document. These are our edges. You can see this one. So the blank area you can see here, this is my top margin. This one is left, this one is right, and the bottom of the page you can see here, this is my bottom margin. I can show you by putting one rectangular box like this one. This one is my bottom margin, and the left side you can see here, this one is my left margin. The distance between the text and the edge of the document. This is my left margin. This one is my top margin, and this one is my right margin. So clear everyone? Again I am telling you, margin means the distance between the text and the edge of the document. You can see the blank space here, the blank here. So this is our margin. So 4 types of margin in a document: left margin, right margin, top margin, and the bottom side, bottommost side you can see, that is our, this one is our bottom margin. So by default margin is 1 inch. By default margin is 1 inch. You can see from the ruler. As I have already told you, if this ruler is hidden, so you just go to the view tab, and from the view tab there is one option, show. Group is here, show. So in this one, ruler. If this option is deactivated, if this checkbox is off, then it means we have hide the ruler. If you want to show it, again click on it. So by default our margin is 1. You can see here, this point is 0, this one is 0.5, then 1. Clear? So same like that, from the top, from left, from right, and from bottom side, 1 inch margin is default margin. That is called normal margin. But if I want to change the margin, so there is one tab, layout tab. Which tab we will use? Layout. So firstly we will click on layout tab. Firstly we will click on layout tab. And after that, click on layout tab firstly. After that you will find here one group, that is page setup group. You can see here, page setup group. In the page setup group you can see the first one is margin. The first one is margin. Today we will do margin, orientation and size. 3 topics today we will cover. So if we want to set the margin, then we will click on margin. You can see here, this one is our default, that is normal margin. From top side 1 inch, left side also, bottom and right. You can take according to your requirement. You can see here like in white, from top side 1, left 2, bottom side 1 inch margin, right side 2 margin. So you can take any one, just click on it, then it will be changed. You have seen now, left margin was 2, so you can see from here. And same like that from right side also 2 inch. So according to our requirement, we can change. The blank area you can see from the left, top, right and bottom. If you want to provide the margin yourself, then you will go to the custom margin. Where is the option? Click on the margin and here you will find custom margin. Custom means we want to create ourselves. When you will click on the custom margin, you can see here page setup dialog box is here. Now according to our requirement, we can give the margin from the top, bottom, left and right. We can use this arrow, the up arrow for increasing it. The up arrow is used for the increasing it. You can see here. And the down arrow key for the decreasing the value. Or you can write here also. For example, I want 4 inch. So I have written here 4. Whatever value I am giving, you can see the preview here. Where you can see the preview from this one. And this preview option is here. Whenever you will change the value, then it will be displayed here. See, I am giving here bottom value. I am increasing the bottom value. Like I am giving here 3. So you will see in the preview, that will be show here. Same like that, we can increase the value from the left, we can decrease whatever we want to do. So whatever value we are giving, that will affect to our document. So just click on OK button. After clicking on OK button, you can see here, I have increased the value for the top margin, you can see, and for the bottom margin also, you can see here. The margin we are giving, that will apply to whole document, not a particular page. So it is applying to whole document. The next one is, if again I want to take the normal margin, then again go to margin and then from here normal. The default setting will come. Next is orientation. Orientation means the way we want to see our page. The way we want to see our page. There are basically 2 orientation. One is vertically and second is horizontally. One is vertically and second is horizontally. Vertically orientation is also called portrait. It is also called portrait, and horizontal orientation is also called landscape. And our default orientation is portrait. Portrait means we will see our document in vertically form. I am showing you print preview, means when I will take printout of my document, then how it look like. Control plus F2 is the shortcut key for print preview. Control plus F2 is the shortcut key for the print preview. You can see here, this one is my first page, this one is my second page. You can see here there are 3 pages. Next one, this is my third page. I want to go back. So you can see here how it looks like. It is in the vertically format. So the default is portrait. Portrait means it will show vertically. If you want to show it horizontally, so in the same tab, layout tab, you will see the option orientation. Where it is? See this one. After the margin, you will find orientation. Just click on the orientation. You will find two options, portrait and landscape. By default, you can see here, this one is activated, portrait. If I want to take landscape, click on landscape. You can see here, now my document is in horizontal form. I can see the print preview also. See this one. This is my first page. This is my second. And this one is my third page. So you can see here, now my page is in the vertically form. So this is called orientation. So basically there are two types of orientation, portrait and landscape. So according to our requirement, we can change it, but the default one is portrait. Clear? You can see your book also, your book always in portrait form. Clear? So the next one is size. The next one is page size. You can see here the third one under the layout tab. In the page setup group, you can see third one is the size. Which paper size you want to take? So by clicking on it, you can change the page size. This one is like legal, letter. This one is height and width. How much height you want to give and how much width you want to give. You can take from here. You can see here A5 size is 5.83 into 8.27. So when I will click on it, you can see here previous total number of pages was 3. Now it is 6 because I have changed the page size and I have taken small page size, A5 size. So if I want to change page size, paper size, we can take from here. A4 size sheet, normally we are using A4 size sheet. This one is A4 size paper. So according to our requirement, we can take. If I want to increase it like B4, just click on B4. Now you can see here, total number of pages are 2. If I want to give myself, I want to create myself height and width. So you will go to the more page size. The last option is under the size is more page size. Click on more page size. You can see here there is the list of all the pages we have seen earlier. If you want to create yourself, then click on custom size. So here you can provide the width and height. You can increase the value from here and decrease from the down arrow key. Or you can provide here yourself. For example, I want width 4 and height 7. So just click on OK button. You can see here my page size is very small because I have given 4 width and 7 height. You can see here now 14 pages are here because I have changed the page size. So we can create ourselves by clicking on size, then go to more paper size, and here we use custom size, and after that provide width and height, and preview will show here whatever value I will give, according to that it will show here. See, you can see in the preview width has increased. If I am decreasing the height, then you will see here now height has been decreased. So you can see from here how it looks like. Then click on OK. Then you can see here Now height is increased, but width is increased, but height is decreased. Clear? So you want to take from here or you want to create yourself. This is our letter size. So today we have done 3 topics.